No problem. Hey, man.
All right, guys, check it out. They're doing crazy things to the vet. He said he's keeping it all as stock as absolutely possible, but it's going to get subs, whole stereo system, but all the original panels, all the original wiring is all staying completely intact. So there's not going to be any modifications made that can't be reversed. And of course, these guys up here at Carmil Car Audio, that's how they do it, you know. Look at that thing, boy, that's sick. I do love a Corvette. Unreversible stuff. Oh, yeah.
Components up front, 6x9. I'm basically going to take the back wall here and move it out 6 inches.
Yeah.
To do the sub and 6x9s on each side.
So it's going to basically look like it looks stock, but move forward a little bit. All right, so now we're doing a little bit of a test fit to make sure that things are fitting, seeing how they're going to fit in there. That's looking real good, man. It's tight, but it's going in there. So if you guys are looking for, these guys work on old custom cars all the time. If you guys are looking for a good car audio build in your old Corvette or your old Porsche, your old Oldsmobiles, your old whatever it is you're wanting to redo, your lowriders and stuff like that, this cat right here, he's got his stuff together. Hop in that jalopy and drive it to Carmil Car Audio in Springfield, Missouri. Call them first, let them know you're coming, get some prices, get some ideas worked out, and do what? So this guy here is a two-hour drive, the one that owns this Corvette. So, but yeah, they do a lot of this kind of stuff. This is his custom installs, and there's Joe. Joe's the man. Y'all can catch him on Carmil Car Audio on YouTube. Joe does all kinds of cool builds.